From the independent German watch brand Kudoke comes the HANDwerk Kudoke 1 and HANDwerk Kudoke 2 watches, both of which combine classic simplicity and creative flourishes to great effect. As always, we've included all the product specifications in the description box so you can check them out later. We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about these Kudoke watches, simply ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. But for now, keep on watching as we go hands-on with the Kudoke 1 and Kudoke 2 watches to discover all the beautiful details these fine handmade timepieces have to offer. As an authorized retailer of Kudoke watches, Les Ambassadeurs offers a selection of the brand's models, including the Kudoke 1 and Kudoke 2. Explore these timepieces at Les Ambassadeurs Espace Connaisseur Lounge in Geneva at Rue du Rhône, in Zurich at one of the most exclusive shopping avenues in the world at Bahnhofstrasse, or in the beautiful city of Luzern at Kappelplatz. Alternatively, you can visit our online store at lesambassadeurs.ch. Stefan Kudoke is a master watchmaker who honed his craft at renowned manufacturers such as Glashütte Original, Breguet, Blancpain, and Omega. In 2004, Stefan and his wife Eve founded their eponymous brand, Kudoke, to create German-made timepieces that honor individuality, traditional craftsmanship, and boundless creativity. The Kudoke name quickly became synonymous with exceptional hand-skeletonized and artistically engraved watches. In 2018, Kudoke introduced Caliber 1, the company's first in-house movement that takes inspiration from historical English pocket watch movements. The following year, the company announced the Kudoke 1 and Kudoke 2 models, both part of the HANDwerk collection and both showcasing the elaborately decorated Caliber 1 movement. Let's start with the back of the watches and take in what lies beneath the sapphire display case backs. The Kudoke Caliber 1 is a manual winding movement with 46 hours of power reserve. As Stefan Kudoke is famous for his stunning craftsmanship and ornate engravings, it comes as no surprise that his Caliber 1 would be exquisitely finished and decorated. From the hand-engraved balance bridge to the stunning surface of the wheel bridge that's finished by hand using special reaming technology, the movement is a feast for the eyes. The polished edges, decorative grindings, and even the small screwed plate with the engraved logo are all done by Stefan's hands. Now that we've looked at the movement responsible for driving the watches, let's examine the timepieces in detail. First up is the elegant three-handed Kudoke watch with blue hour and minute hands at the center and the running seconds hand inside the subdial at 9 o'clock. If we zoom in closer, we see that the tip of the hour hand is in fact shaped into the infinity sign to symbolize time itself. This trio of deep blue hands sits on salmon-colored surface, which has two edge-polished applied rings. The first runs around the edge of the dial to serve as the chapter ring, decorated with dots and Roman numerals to mark the hours and minutes. The other ring frames the subdial and includes small enlarged dots to indicate the seconds. To balance out the subdial, there's the Kudoke nameplate on the opposite side at 3 o'clock. Finally, the Germany inscription at 6 o'clock reminds us where this timepiece is made. Handsomely restrained and classically styled, the dial of the Kudoke 1 is striking in its simplicity. The dial is housed inside a stainless steel case measuring 39 mm in diameter and 9.5 mm thick. Adding to the elegance of the timepiece are the double-grooved bezel and arched lugs, in addition to the polished surfaces of the case. Interestingly, the Kudoke 1 features an onion-style crown, which is the style we normally associate with sportier pilot watches, but it adds a charming detail to this otherwise dressy timepiece. Next, we turn our attention to the Kudoke 2, which was the winner of the prestigious Petite Aiguille Award of the 2019 Grand Prix d'Horlogerie de Genève. Though the Kudoke 2 features similar blue hands, applied chapter rings, and case as the Kudoke 1, what sets this watch apart is its unconventional 24-hour indication on the dial. This rotating domed sky disk is hand-engraved and electroplated in gold, white, and black rhodium. A small gold-plated triangle points to the 24-hour scale to indicate a specific hour of the day. However, the intuitive design of the sun and moon depictions helps the wearer to quickly differentiate between day and night, even with just a glance at the timepiece. For instance, when the sun portion rests on top, it's noon, but when the moon is there instead, we know it's midnight. Furthermore, when the sun is perfectly aligned to the right side of the disk, it's 6 p.m. or around sunset. On the other hand, when the moon is in that position, then it's 6 a.m. or around sunrise. Powering the watch is the 24-hour version of the caliber 1 movement. To accommodate the addition of the complication, the case of the Kudoke 2 is slightly thicker, coming in at 10.7 mm. Both the Kudoke 1 and 2 are fitted with elegant black leather straps, secured around the wrist via understated pin buckles made in steel and engraved with the brand name. Aside from their alluring designs, the 39mm size of both watches is exceedingly comfortable on the wrist. Their easy-to-wear dimensions and classic shapes make the Kudoke 1 and 2 ideal timepieces for a range of wrist sizes. The HANDwerk Kudoke 1 with the silver dial is priced at 9,000 Swiss francs, and with the salmon collar dial at 9,800 Swiss francs, while the HANDwerk Kudoke 2 with the blue dial is priced at 12,000 Swiss francs, and with the silver dial at 11,200 Swiss francs. As I'm sure many of you will agree, given all the handmade components, intricate details, top-notch quality, and in-house movements, these high-end German-made Kudoke watches offer unparalleled value. You'd be hard-pressed to find watches made with the same impeccable standards in this price range. Les Ambassadeurs is proud to have these Kudoke watches available for you. If you haven't already, visit Les Ambassadeurs' website and shop from our online store at your convenience. You can even take advantage of our super-fast flash delivery service, where we can deliver a watch within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. Yes, that's right, in just 3 hours. What do you think of the designs of the Kudoke 1 and Kudoke 2 timepieces? Do you prefer one to the other? We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. Or if you have any questions, ask away and we'll respond to you as soon as possible. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest watch reviews from Les Ambassadeurs, please subscribe to our channel, click the bell button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.